Hit. Safety on, safety on.
Safety on.
Okay. Got him. Nicely done. Okay. Now let's see if you have anything in the chamber. I want to see that follower in there. Okay. There you go. Time was 4.6. Oh no, never mind. 4.621. Yeah.